Why? I shit for body. Why?
Hello, Ron. Tulungan mo ako dito, Ron. Di ko naintindihan to, mga taga China. You're from China?
You said you are going to gift me. You
You.
said
Are you
no,
from China?
No, you said you are going to gift me. Where is the gift?
Mukhang yan, China.
Ano? What?
I wanna come for you. Where is my gift?
I will
your
send
gift.
you my gift if I saw you in person.
If you see me where?
What?
If you see me where?
Ano? At tayo ba ng tao na to? Di ko maintindihan ka kung mawawatan yung bagam.
Wait. What do you put for tea?
Ay,
Hindi
lipstick
understand
ka man
you.
kami, no? May lipstick mo. What?
What is in your teeth? What is in your teeth?
It called
your teeth?
iron.
Bracelet.
You know
It's
iron?